Hi everyone. Students, today we are going to discuss the point from the chapter Math second, that is similarity. We are going to illustrate the first property from the syllabus of similarity. The property is related to the ratio of areas of two triangles. We know the triangle, how to calculate the area of a triangle. The formula to calculate the area of any triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. I have written already the property. The property is the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding heights. So, as we are considering the ratio, students, we know the ratio means the first term divided by other term. That means when you are going to compare two triangles or areas of two triangles by the method of division, that is the ratio of areas of two triangles, the meaning of those words. And that ratio, basic idea to calculate that ratio is with the help of the formula to calculate area of triangle. Now, here is one of the triangle. In triangle ABC, we have considered side BC is its base and AE is the height related to side BC. In case of other triangle, that is triangle PQR, and that is obtuse triangle actually, and consider its side QR is its base. When you are going to draw the perpendicular from vertex P to side QR, that perpendicular meets at S and which is lies outside the triangle PQR. When this happens only when the triangle type of triangle is obtuse. Now I am going to compare the ratio. So the basic idea, I am going to write area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. We are familiar with the formula. This is our basic idea to calculate the ratio. So, area of triangle ABC upon, as we are considering ratio, so upon area of other triangle, that is PQR. So, using the formula to calculate area of triangle ABC, so we have the step 1/2 base of, we consider the base, that is side BC, and related height is AE. In case of other triangle, that is denominator, area triangle PQR. So, using the formula, same formula, base, in this case base you have to consider as a QR and related height is PS. This is all about using the formula to calculate area of a triangle 1/2 base into height. So, we have the terms half. It will get cancelled and remaining terms I am mentioning area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to the base of first triangle, that is BC, into height of first triangle AE upon base of second triangle QR into height of second triangle, that is PS. So, this is our conclusion. Ratio of areas of two triangles. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. This is all about the related to the property. So, when we are considering area of a first triangle as a A1, area of a second triangle as a A2. So, your ratio you can write as A1 upon A2 is equal to base of first triangle I am going to consider as a B1, related height as consider as a H1, base of other triangle B2 and related height is H2. So, your formula, we get the formula A1 by A2 is equal to B1 H1 upon B2 H2. Using that formula, we have to calculate different required terms. They are going to ask you the questions of marks 2 related or based on the above formula. Very important formula. This is the first formula from chapter similarity. Now we have different corollaries based on the above formulas. So the corollary first is when or if H1 is equal to H2, then when you are considering H1 is equal to H2, or you may say in other words, when the triangles having common height are equal in heights, in that manner your ratio becomes A1 by A2 is equal to H1 and H2 get cancelled and you have the result as A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. You must say in words ratio of areas of two triangles when height is equal or common is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Second case or second corollary, if B1 is equal to B2, then your ratio becomes B1 B2 will get cancelled and you have remaining terms as H1 by H2, and your statement will be if base is equal, then ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. And if third case, if B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is equal to H2, it means when in case of both triangles their bases are in equal length and height are also same, then you have A1 is equal to A2 because the numerator and denominator terms will get cancelled in simplification. So you can say in words, for a triangle with same base and same height, the triangles are in equal in areas. Thank you, students.